Dear children, let's start a quiz from second chapter of class 6 Geography, Globe, Latitudes and Longitudes. In the previous videos we have completed this chapter and today I have brought 20 MCQs for you people and see the question, think the answer and then I'll tell the answer, and after completion of 20 questions share your score to me. So let's take first question. Equator is an imaginary rectangular line, imaginary circular line, imaginary straight line, imaginary triangular line. So in the chapter we studied that equator is located at 0 degree, right? 0 degree latitude. This is situated in the middle of the earth and it is dividing the earth into two equal parts, north and southern hemisphere. So it is circular line, right, surrounding the earth. B is the correct answer. Take next question. The standard meridian of India is 82 degree 30 minutes. In India, time is fixed according to this line, 82 degree and half or 82 degree 30 minutes. It is south, west, north, east. You know that meridians are longitudes, right? The prime meridian divides earth into two equal parts, eastern and western longitudes. So 82 degree 30 minutes, India, because India is located in east, so definitely 82 degree 30 minutes eastern longitude, right? This is the standard meridian of India. Next, the 0 degree meridian is also known as prime standard, prime meridian, equator prime, Greenfield. So it's very simple answer. Prime meridian, 0 degree meridian, also known as prime meridian or Greenwich meridian or GMT, Greenwich Mean Time, right? Next, the distance between the longitudes decreases towards, just think about longitudes, these are longitudes, clear? In this shapes we can draw longitude, you can see. So the distance between longitudes decreases towards pole, decreases towards poles, increases towards pole, decreases towards north poles only, and decreases towards south pole. So this is north pole, this is north pole, this is south pole. So equally the distance is decreasing towards poles. So the A is the correct answer, decreases towards poles. Two endpoints of the axis are called grid, poles, equator. So in the same figure we see that this is northern pole, this is southern pole. So this is the axis, clear? This is axis. So two endpoints of the axis are called grid, poles, equator, and fourth option is axis. So answer is poles. The Arctic Circle is located in the western hemisphere, southern hemisphere, northern hemisphere, eastern hemisphere. The Arctic Circle. Where is the Arctic Circle? It is 66.5 degree. Clear? 66.5 degree north. Antarctic Circle is situated in southern, or Arctic Circle is situated in northern hemisphere. So the answer is C. Lines run from east to west. Which lines? They measure the distance north and south of the equator. So this is very simple answer. Primary, longitude, standard, latitude, latitudes. D is the correct answer. Next, Dwarka is in Punjab, Rajasthan, Kerala, Gujarat. It is situated in Gujarat. In the chapter we discussed the line which divides the earth into northern and southern hemisphere. Before a short while we discussed in the previous question equator, latitude, longitude, prime meridian. So the correct answer is equator. This marks the location of equator on earth. Equator on earth, 20 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, and next option is 0 degree. So correct answer is D, 0 degree. Longitudes run from which to which pole to pole? East, north, longitudes. These are the longitudes from north to south or south to north. C is the correct answer. What are latitude and longitude lines? Thick and thin lines that divide the earth, imaginary lines that make a grid on the earth, real lines that divide the earth, or long and short lines that divide the earth. So the B is the correct option, because these are the imaginary lines that make a grid like this, right, on the earth. These are longitude, latitudes like this and like this. So this is grid. At which degree is Antarctic Circle located? Arctic Circle located in north and Antarctic Circle is located in the south. So what is the answer? 66.5 degree north, 66.5 degree south, 23 degree north, 23 degree south. B is the correct answer. Question number 13, B is the correct answer. Which of the following is not lying in northern hemisphere? Arctic Circle, Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer, none of above. Arctic Circle is located 66.5 degree north, so it is located in north. Tropic of Capricorn is situated 23.5 degrees south, so this is the correct answer. B is not located in northern hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn are of equal length. Capricorn is shorter than the Cancer, and Capricorn is bigger than the Cancer, and very big difference between these two. So what is the correct answer? Yes, A is the correct answer. They have the equal length, approximately 36,768 kilometer is the length of both lines. Clear? Because both are situated on the same line, right, to the equator, north and south. Next, identify the picture. I'll see the picture. Yes, see this picture I'm showing you. What is this picture indicating, right? See this picture very carefully, then I'll tell you the options. Now options are: option A latitudes, B grids, C longitude, and D standard meridian. So dotted line was latitude, 0 degree equator, but this picture, this total means number of latitudes and longitudes are showing in this picture. So this is completely grid. So B is the correct answer. Next, is located at 23.5 degree north, Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle. So the correct answer is Tropic of Cancer. It is situated in north, 23.5 degree north. IST stands for International Specific Time, International Standard Temperate, Indian Standard Time, and Indian Specific Time. C is the correct answer, Indian Standard Time, 82.5 degree eastern longitude. The northernmost end of the axis is South Pole, Northern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere, and North Pole. Sorry, North Pole. So what is the correct answer? Northernmost end of the axis. This is the axis, right? This is the axis. This is North Pole and South Pole. So northernmost, right? Northernmost end is the North Pole. So correct answer is D. Next and last question. Dibrugarh is located in Assam, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram. So the correct answer is Assam. Dibrugarh is located in Assam. So this was the quiz. How many points you got? Share with me by writing in the comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.